Okay, so quick update. The changes I've been making to the CNC, one dual belt, move the 80-20 to the edge, put the 20-60 down flat. So now I have more stability in it. I can gain an extra 40 millimeters on top of these and an extra 60 millimeters on top of that. Gives me plenty of space for the spindle to move up and down. It also gives me an area that I could run a lead screw right here if I wanted to, and I think I have enough room to do it. I could also run one right over the top of this too, but whatever. Anyway, that's been done. Belt's been shortened, which helps me out quite a bit. Everything else is pretty much the same. Mostly I was just trying to get the real big issue that I fixed is it is very much way more square than it was before. It was pretty close, and this time I think I got it dead nuts on, so I'm pretty enthused about that. What will happen over the winter is limit switches will go in, and probably a Hitachi spindle, I'm thinking. I'm not entirely certain, but I'm thinking a spindle. And that's about it. Otherwise it's pretty well good to go. I could also open up the front of this thing a little bit, and that would allow me to put something flat coming out, but then I would have to really beef up the front of this thing, and I don't really feel like doing that. So yeah, I think the CNC is looking good. That's about it for it.